Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are taking care of yourself, eating healthy and not going outside, okay? And listening to your parents and the teachers also. Take care of yourself, okay? Welcome you all in our online classes once again. As you all know, we all have started the revision of lesson 1. Yesterday I have taught you how to attempt the question answers or about word meaning. Okay, I have said now there will be two things you have to keep in your mind. First is your question paper and other one is your answer sheet. Okay, you have to write all the answers on your answer sheet. Okay, you have to see the question paper and you have to attempt the answers on your answer sheet. That will be the separate one. Don't write any answers on the question paper. Yesterday we have done combined word meaning and today I am going to explain you about make sentences and the book exercises of lesson 1 according to the question paper. Okay, how the questions will come in the question paper and how you will attempt on the answer sheet. Okay, so let's start. So children, as I have already explained it to you about the word meaning, how to attempt it in the on the answer sheet. Okay, so again I have prepared some of the questions of lesson 1 so that you can prepare and you can know that how to attempt this type of questions on your answer sheet. Okay, for example, here I have written the first question is make sentences. Okay, if the word is given here ball, family, okay, it's of lesson 1. There will be more make sentences from other lessons also. Okay, so how you will attempt this question on the answer sheet, that I am going to explain it to you. First you will write the number. Okay, then you will mention the number. Here it's written now first, so you will write here also the same word ball. Okay, and then what you have to do, I have explained it to you now. Start the sentence with the capital letter and end it with the full stop. Please take care of that. So here, for example, I am writing this is a ball. Okay, so here clearly it should be seen that there should be a full stop and you will underline it with the blue color pencil, the word. Okay, and don't make it capital B. This is wrong. Okay, so be careful if while writing the word, no need to make it capital. Capital comes for the proper one. Okay, so it's a common word. We will write as a small only. So the second word is family. You will mention it like this only. Leave one line and mention it properly. Family. So what's the sentence for family? I love my family. So children, you can write other sentence also, but it should be correct. Okay, you should form the sentence correctly. You will, and what you will do, underline it with the blue color pencil, start with the capital, end it with the full stop. Okay, so this was the first question. Make sentences of lesson 1. I have explained it to you how to write on the answer sheet. You are not going to write here. Okay, this is the question paper. So no need to write on the question paper. You will write all the answers on the answer sheet. So parents, please guide your children according to this only. The second question is match the following. Okay, you all can see here in the like this only in the question paper also you will get the match the following. The wrong answers are written here. Okay, it's not correct. Tia loves to paint? No. So whatever is the correct answer, you will write the complete sentence. So you are not going to write half of it. Okay, for example, I am writing here the first one, that is Tia. What Tia loves? Tia loves to sing and dance. So what's the correct answer? This. So what you will write the complete sentence. First I have written Tia, then I will write loves to sing and dance. Okay, children, if you are going to write only this one, for example, if you are writing loves to sing and dance, this is incomplete sentence and this you will get half marks. Okay, if it is of 2 marks, you will get only 1 marks. So you have to write the complete sentence. You have to match both sides. So you have to write the both sides. Okay, first Tia loves to sing and dance. Then second one is Tia's mother. So what Tia's mother do? Tia's mother loves to paint. So here I have mentioned this one. Then I am going to write the correct answer nearby that. That is loves to paint. Okay. So like this only. Now the third one. That is Tia's father. It's all related to the lesson only. We all have done what Tia's father, mother, all we have read the scrapbook. According to that only, Tia's father loves to bake cakes. If you are going to write loves to garden, it will be wrong. Okay, Tia's father loves to bake. So you have to write the complete sentence. Don't write loves to cake on the third as a third answer. If you are going to write this one only, you will not get the marks. Okay, you have to write the complete sentence. It should be completed. So the fourth one is Tia's grandmother. What Tia's grandmother loves? Tia's grandmother loves to read books. So I am going to write that loves to read books. Okay, this is your answer sheet. Now the fifth one is Tia's grandfather. What Tia's grandfather loves? Grandfather loves to garden. Okay, loves to garden. Like this, you will attempt the match the following on your answer sheet. You have to attempt again and again. I am saying don't, please parents, instruct your wards that you have to attempt both sides. First mention this side and the correct answer nearby that one. Okay, now I am going to explain you the third one, that is choose the correct answers. Now children, be careful here, see how it will come in the exams. Tia's mother helps her with her lessons and painting. Okay, 2 options are here given. You have to choose. So you are not going to write the complete this sentence like Tia's mother helps her with her lessons. No need to write this. You have to choose, means you are going to pick. So, okay students, now I hope you understood what you have to do. You have to choose the correct answer. Which one is the correct answer? Tia's mother helps her with her lessons. So, the first answer I will write is lessons. Is it clear to you? No need to write this sentence. Okay, the both sides you are going to write only in match the following, not in the choose. Choose means you have to pick out. Be careful with this. Choose the correct answer only. Now the second one is Tia's father works at a bakery or bank. Here both options are given. Okay, you have to be careful with the spellings. If you are going to write bank, for example, it's the correct answer. Okay, and if you are writing the wrong spelling, for example, you are writing BAK and you forget N, then also you will get 0 marks. Okay, so you have to be very careful while copying the word from the question paper. That is, if it is bank, you have to write the correct word, that is BANK, bank. Like this only. There are some more. I will show you in the book only. Okay, like here from the first lesson only. Tia likes to play with her. For example, the options are given sister and brother. So which one is the correct answer? Brother. So what you will write? You will write only brother. Okay, like that only. Tia has a pet. If the options are given cat and dog, which one is the correct answer? Dog. So you are going to write only dog. No need to write Tia has a pet dog. No, only choose the correct answer. Okay, so I have explained it to you how to attempt on the answer sheet. Okay, now the fourth question, that is circle the naming parts. Be careful children, it's written circle. Okay, circle the naming parts in the following sentences. Here 2 sentences only I have mentioned. In book there are 4 more. Okay, the dog is playing with a ball. Here what I have said, circle the naming part. So no need to write this complete sentence. Only what you have to do, you have to take the naming part, that is the dog. Okay, so the first one here, be careful with the numbers. See how I have written first, second, third, fourth, like that. Okay, so I will write the dog. This is the naming part. What I will do, I will circle it. So this is the correct way to attempt on the answer sheet. Okay, so no need to write the dog is playing with a ball and you are under circle that. No need to do all that. Okay, you just mention what is the naming part and you just circle it. Now the second one is the cow is eating grass. So what's the naming part in this? That is the cow. Okay, now what I will do, I will circle. Clear to you all? Okay, now 4 more other sentences also are there. I will show you in the book. See here. And children, please go through the examples also. Okay, here the examples also may come. I have explained it to you. Fluffy is sleeping on the mat. What's the naming part? Fluffy. Okay, is selling on the mat. Is sleeping on the mat is the telling part. Like that, Jia and Tinky are friends. What's the naming part? Jia and Tinky. And telling part is our friends. So go through the examples also. Okay, don't leave it. Now here I have explained this one. Now see here, the cat is drinking milk. What's the naming part? The cat. Okay, you will write like that, this only, the cat, and you will circle it. The frog is sleeping on a log. Okay, what's the naming part? The frog. Okay, now the next one is 5th question. Underline. Now here it was circle written. Be careful. If it is written circle, circle it. If it is written underline, underline it. If it is written pick out, pick that word. If it is written choose, choose the word. So be careful and read carefully what the question is. Okay. If it is written underline, the telling part. What we have to underline? The telling parts in the following sentences. Okay. What you will do is, see here, 5th one I am going to do here. Okay, Tia plays with her brother. So children, I have to underline. Okay, in this one what you will do, you copy the complete sentence. Okay, here what you will do, first one, Tia plays with her brother. Okay, this is the, in this what you have to do, you have to underline the telling part. So take this help of scale or anything and underline it carefully like this. Okay, for example, you underline only plays with her and brother is left, then also it's wrong. Okay, so be careful. Tia is the naming part. I have left that. I will not touch that one. And now I will start my telling part from here and I will underline it properly from where to where it is. Okay, like Tia plays with her brother. Plays with her brother is the telling part. Okay, be careful with this. Now the second one is, I drink milk at night. So first what I will do, I will write the sentence, that is I drink milk at night. Okay, so what's the telling part here? Drink milk at night. Okay, it's clear to you all. You will underline it like this. Left eye, because eye is the naming part. If you underline all this, then it will be completely wrong and you will get 0. So be careful with this. Give the proper space, 1 finger gap, write neatly, practice at home how to write with 1 finger gap, underline. So like this only, 2 more are there in the book. Okay, Rita, Manish, Rehan and Shanvi are playing with a football. These all are naming parts and are playing with a football is a telling part. Okay, the pig is playing in the mud. The pig is a naming part, and is playing in the mud is a telling part. So children, I have completed today all the book exercises and the copy work. Okay, one more thing is left, that is question answer. Okay, I will just show it to you from the copy only. Nothing is there more. What you have to do, children, you have to learn the question answers. In question answer, nothing will be there. If it is asked where Tia's father worked, you have to write the complete answer of this. Okay, for example, if it is the sixth one and the question is where Tia's father worked, you will write answer 1. Okay, and what you will write? Tia's father works at a bank. Now, while writing the answers, what you have to keep in your mind is, I have started the answer with the capital letter, ended with the full stop. Now you have to be careful with the grammatical part also. Like if it is written works, if you forget to write S, your marks will be deducted for this. Okay, for half marks of 0.5, 0.25 marks will be deducted for your grammatical mistake. So this small thing is also very important. So while learning, while writing, write it carefully, learn it carefully. Okay, like one more question is there. What is the name of Tia's pet? See children, here all the things you will get in the question only. So be careful with the question paper. Okay, in place of what you will write? See here, Tia's pet name is Fluffy. Okay, what's the name of the pet? Fluffy. You will get the spelling of Tia's in the question only. Pet also, name also is. Tia's pet name is Fluffy. What you have to learn? You have to learn the spelling of Fluffy. Okay. So this much in the lesson 1, book exercises and copy work. I have explained it to you how you will write on your answer sheet. I hope you have understood, and I request the parents also make your children prepare it like this only at home. Okay. So children, I hope you all have understood what I have explained yesterday and today, how to attempt the answers on the answer sheet, and I have explained all lesson 1. Now it's your responsibility to learn it properly and prepare it for your exams. We will start our second lesson tomorrow. Okay, day after tomorrow, whenever we will have the other class, and till then you will learn each and everything of lesson 1, all the word meanings, make sentences and the question answers. Okay, I hope you all have understood, and now you will listen to your teachers and parents and learn your lessons properly. Thank you and have a nice day.